In today's lesson, we're looking at adding and subtracting like terms. So first thing we're going to realise is that a like term have identical pronumeral parts. So let's just dive straight into some examples here. We've got 4p plus 7p minus 3p. Now to start with, every time we get one of these equations, we're going to highlight the like term. So I'm going to highlight all the terms with just p. We can see they're all actually the same here. So 4p plus 7p is 11. Minus 3p, we can simplify that to be 8p. Now they're not always going to be that simple, so let's look at another one. And we'll go across to have a look at this one here. So 12a squared plus 3b plus 4b squared minus 2b. So what we're going to do first thing is highlight our like terms. Now 3b and 2b are a like term, they're the same. But 12a squared and 4b squared are not, so they're different. So we're going to leave those as they are. So to start with, we're just going to rewrite our non-like terms here. So 12a squared. Sorry, 12a squared plus 4b squared. And then we're going to simplify our like terms here. So in this example, we've got 3b minus 2b, which equals b. So plus b. Alright, let's do another two examples. Again, we're just going to highlight our like terms here. We've got 3xy and 9xy, so they are like terms. Let's highlight those. And 2y squared is left by itself. So we're going to go equals 2y squared. Now we've got 9xy plus 3xy, so that's 12xy. Okay, so you can see this is pretty simple. We can get some more advanced equations where we're going to be quite long and we might need to collect a few more like terms. So let's just go through this last one here. Again, we're going to highlight our like terms. So we've got x squared and x. Now they're not the same, so we can't do anything with those. And we've got 3y. So in this particular example, we're not able to collect any like terms. So it becomes 2x squared plus 2x minus 3y. So pretty simple. We're just going to create one other question here for us to have a go at. So 6a plus 4b plus 7a plus 3b plus 12ab minus 3b squared. Okay, pretty long one. So what we're going to do, first thing, highlight all our like terms. So we're going to go through and highlight all the a's. Reminder that this particular a is not counted because it's an AB pronumeral. Let's go through and highlight all our B terms. So 4B, 3B. Again, the 12AB doesn't count and B squared doesn't count. So we can simplify from there. So we've got 6A plus 7A, so 13A. Oh, let's just change our pen back. 13A plus 7B. So we've done the 4B plus the 3B. And then what's left over here, which is this part of the equation. So 12ab minus 3b squared.